Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Gardening, and in this episode we will look at recreating this hair-raising planter arrangement. So this is best suited for water arrangements and you would need a container that has a face on it. This is because when you add the plant in it, it should look like a lovely mane. So the plant that I've used here is the Bacopa munieri or the Jala Brahmi. They're known for their lavender flowers and they are edible as well. They have properties that are known to boost memory. So for the container, I'm using a Buddha face container and I'm also using a ceramic container because if it is terracotta, then it would disintegrate. So for this particular arrangement, you must use only garden soil, no compost or coco peat and such media that may float in the water. Ensure to fill the soil a little above the rim of the container. You can create a mound like this even. Now I'm just going to take a cutting of this plant and you can see here that it already has roots that are growing in water. Now you can take a cutting with or without roots. This will root very quickly. Add the plant into the media and to elevate this you can use a brick. Place the planter so that the bottom portion touches the water. This planter does not need watering at this moment because it will soak in water through the hole. Please do not add any fertilizers because the plant will get its nutrients from the fishes in the water. For blooms, you must place this arrangement under full sun. The Bacopa munieri will keep growing even in water because it is an amphibious plant and will grow roots in water and spread. Over time, the plant will grow and droop over the container to create this hair-like look. So folks, if you want to do some fun DIY experiments in your garden, then this hair-raising feat can be one among your firsts. And with this, we've come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Gardening, and I really hope you enjoyed this particular program. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. And always remember, to grow slow is to grow well. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.